Hi everyone, merhaba, this is Ayşenur Altan. Welcome to Turkish Food and Travel. Today in this episode in my kitchen, I'm gonna show you what I have on my freezer. You have been asking me about Ramadan preparations. Actually, I don't do much prep especially for Ramadan, but some of tips I have for you. Lots of things, but you can use these during the whole year, especially if you are working or you want to spend more time in this valuable month of Ramadan rather than in kitchen. So I want to give you some tips. These tips will be, of course, about Turkish food, Turkish cuisine. So let's get started. So here I have my ingredients. I'm a little bit rushing because they are melting right now. So here I have green peppers. These are from springtime last year. I just take out the seeds and the stems and put it like this, and it is ready. You just need to make the stuffing and fill it and just ready to cook. And here I have falafel. This is especially, like I can say, a Middle East recipe. I have it on my channel, very easy to make. You just double the amount and keep some of them to freeze after placing to a plate. After it is freeze, you can put it to the freezer bag and it will be ready. I also keep lots of chickpeas cooked. I use these are plastic containers from the Turkish white cheese. I just wanted to use them. It's very practical. And here is the cooked chickpeas. Usually you have to soak it and then overnight and then cook it the next day. This way it will be ready to make stew. Or I really like, you can watch it, I'm gonna put the link, to make chicken and chickpeas with rice. I have the recipe also, you can use that, or with different soup recipes I do use. This is also chickpea, you can see. And it really gets out easily. You don't have to, put it very in small amounts. And here I have grilled red peppers. I use these to make salads. I just made them in the last summertime when it's the season. You can use it in salads, or you can just chop it, drizzle some olive oil and vinegar, and it will be ready like a meze or a side dish. And this is for make lemonade. These are cubed, chopped like in 4 pieces. Lemon and oranges, like 2 lemon and 1 orange. I have the recipe and it is ready to, whenever I want, you just need to thaw for 10 minutes. When it is still like slushy, I can say, you make the lemonade. It's very easy. I usually have green peppers ready. It is just cut. I take out the stem and washed, just cut it in cubes, and it is ready. I can pour it to my all my dishes. I use it actually. This is also very handy. Here are my mantas. These are really just a ready food. Whenever you have time at home, you can make these mantas and it will be ready to. You just boil and then cook it, drizzle some yogurt and red pepper sauce, and it will be ready. And this is sigara böreği, rolled yufka börek with cheese. You just shape it. I also have the recipe, just check the links, okay, from here. You just deep fry it without thawing it. Ready to use Turkish food. These are my pides from the pide class I just recently made from the 3-week Turkish flatbread and börek course. And if you are interested, you can also join. Just mail me. I'm gonna write down the email. I can open new classes. It has spinach in it, mincemeat filling. I just need to reheat it in the pan, close the lid, and it is ready to eat. And here is another my favorite thing I would suggest to you, making köftes. You just shape the köfte, and I have the recipe again. Just shape it and place it onto the baking paper or freezer bags. You can tear it off to make it like a sheet. and then put it onto a tray. Freeze. After it is freeze, you can place it to easily to freezer bag, and it is ready to cook like this. I have two versions of köftes actually. I'm gonna share the other one. The first one, classical one, which I shared the recipe with you early, has regular stale bread. In the second version, I have bulgur wheat. It's another type of köftes actually from the Anatolian part, Malatya city. And the shaved köftes you dip into lightly whisked egg and then fry it. It has more stronger flavor frying it with the egg. So I would suggest try that one too. I'm gonna share it soon. Check the links and make sure to follow me if you haven't yet. And I also have kadayıf on my freezer always, because even I can't find it all the time where I live. I'm a little bit far from the city center. And if you find fresh kadayıf, I suggest buy it a lot and then keep it in the freezer for other times. And stay tuned because I'm gonna share my künefe recipe soon too. You can make bazlama bread, gobit bread I shared recently on my channel. And I'm also going to share another type of bazlama bread which is very fluffy and has thick, it's a thick bread, flat bread you cook on stove top in a pan. You can also freeze Ramazan pidesi. I shared it last year with you. I might share another version. Besides these köftes, I also make different köftes with shape it into a tiny balls and use it in my traditional soup recipes. It's really easy when you have ready frozen finely shaped köftes with you. I made a Lebeniye soup with it, and I have some traditional soups also. So make sure to check the description box below for the links where you can use these frozen Turkish foods ready to make. And I hope it's gonna be helpful for you. You might also have some other ideas what you put to your freezer for quick time using. So please do share it in the comment section. I wish and pray for a better world with this Ramadan coming, which is a special month for Muslims. I'm also going to share hopefully iftar menus during the Ramadan month. So stay tuned for more, and please don't forget to turn on the notifications so you can see my new episodes. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in another delicious Turkish food recipes and travel vlogs. Bye.